Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today is a special video. We are going to discuss about the blue chip companies which are at very highly discounted prices. So let's analyze them and look forward for making any trades with this. First of all, the reason why I have all these blue chip stocks are in discounted prices is because of the Russia-Ukraine crisis, where the Nifty here is in a danger zone. It has formed the bearish pattern. It crossed the 200-day moving average, retraced back, took support at the 200-day moving average, and started coming down. And also an opportunity for the buyers, for investors, I would say, to shop the bluest of bluest stocks. So let's go to the blue chip list. First, we have Reliance. Reliance, as we have seen, has been making the lower highs consistently right from October 2021, and today we have data that it has closed just below 200-day moving average, and any sign of a bearish candle would mean uh, further fall in the stock, and all the RSI, EMA, everything, like right now, these would not come into picture since everything is under huge sell-off by the FIIs. FIIs in a sense, foreign institutional investors. So this is a good opportunity if you are looking for a long-term stock. Reliance. This is about Reliance. Hindustan Unilever. This is a very fundamentally strong stock. If you go to weekly chart, as we have discussed earlier, this has been under a good price range right from October 2018, and just now it has just recently it has broken the lower range, retraced back, took support, took resistance, and then came falling back. The important point is that you have to realize that it has closed below the 200-day moving average, which is a completely negative sign. And also you can see the volumes here, huge sell off, very huge sell off. And in addition to that, you can see the RSI as well, it is completely weak. This is a very good opportunity for long term investors to buy at dips in this stock. ECS, as you have seen, it has formed a reverse W pattern, which is a bearish pattern, and right now it looks like it took resistance near the 200-day moving average. Now any sign of the bearish candle closing below this level would mean a further fall in the stock. You can look forward to accumulate this stock at this price. This is a very good level. Then Infosys has been under consolidation range. Actually, the price has fallen earlier. Let's check how much it has fallen. Roughly 14%, around 13 to 14% it has fallen, and it has been consolidating. Now what you must see is that this is also a type of a bearish pattern, where we call it as a bearish flag. This is the handle of the flag, and this is the flag, actual flag. Any sign below this 200-day moving average would mean more bearishness to this stock. So you can add it to your watch list and look out for this. HDFC has been under immense pressure right from 16th October 2021, and as the momentum suggests here, this is a bearish momentum, and the volumes are also very high. If the volume reduces, then we can say this is a fake bearishness, but look at this very high volumes of bearishness, and added to that, RSI is also showing weakness. You can try to accommodate this stock. This is at a very good price. Let's check how much it has fallen right from the high. 25%, that too in a stock, in a very stable stock like HDFC, is a good opportunity to buy at dips. This is about HDFC Bank as well. It has also formed a bearish pattern and it has consolidated here. If you see from here to here, it has been consolidating and immediately it has broken down. It has opened gap down, severe gap down, and then it is continuing the trend. If this does not retrace back, then this is a sign of bearishness as well. You can look to accumulate HDFC Bank as well. Tata Motors. Earlier, Tata Motors has formed a bullish flat. I was expecting this to be broken up here and go on the positive momentum. And also, since Tata Motors is supporting for the electric vehicle units, I thought this will be on the positive side. But the Russia-Ukraine crisis had other plans for us. It is also under immense pressure. Any signal of the bearish candle closing below this 200-day average would also mean bearishness. I would also suggest to accumulate this stock since this is one of the bluest of blue chip stocks. Asian Paints. So let's see how this is for performing. I have opened weekly chart just to make sure. There are three important zones here and this has broken down with heavy volume, and RSI is also below 40 as well. Asian Paints is like one of the biggest consumer goods industries in India, and now it is under immense pressure. Let's see how much value it has eroded. 23%. That's a huge fall. You can look forward to buying at dips. Kotak Bank as well. This is also under bearishness. This is a bearish pattern and it has been consolidating here. This is the first support, second support, third support. Any signs of breakout on the downside would mean more bearishness to the stock. So this is about the analysis, guys. I would suggest you to not deploy all the capital you have right now, since these are the situations of uncertainty. I would suggest to just buy a small amount of dips in some of these stocks and hold your capital for further fall. We may never know when the market is going to bottom out. So hope you like this video. If you find this channel useful, please subscribe and also refer your friends to this channel. Thank you.